Hey guys, how's it going? I'm OverallGeek and welcome to Realm Grinder. This is another RPG game. Looks like one where you build stuff and you build up your castle and your fortress and everything else. Figure we try it out, be something a little bit different. Let's get into it. Greetings, Your Majesty. I will be your royal advisor and help you manage your realm. Click anywhere to learn more or open the options to disable the tutorial. Okay. Now try clicking anywhere on the realm landscaping. Tree. I got a coin. Well done. Clicking on the realm will generate coins. Keep clicking until you get 10 coins. This is the money tree, guys. This is the money tree. You did it. Click here to purchase a farm. Click on you. Click where? Oh, click here. Farm costs for... Okay. Cost for 1 is 10. You unlocked the trophy 1 farm. Well done. Buildings automatically generate coins. Now keep clicking to earn more coins. What is this? You found a faction coin, which can be used to form alliances with different factions in this realm. They can be found randomly when clicking open the upgrades panel to review them. Where's the upgrades panel? Ah, right there. This is definitely different. Now build 5 farms. Jeez! Little boss, can you say please? I am your majesty after all. You should be referring to me as Majesty, thank you very much. Learn your place. Don't boss me around. Alright? Behave yourself. Proof of evil deed. Jeez. Of good deed. I got trophies. Trophies represent the great deeds you achieved during your reign. Discover the secret trophies. Can you stop being so pushy? Man, she's pushy. Oh, whoa. Oh, wait, no. Okay, can I? Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna build another farm. There's 2 farms. Where's my other farm? Where's my farm? Rude. Can't find my farm. Farm. Alright, build 5 farms. Crop rotation cost free. Sorry, my ear itches. Increase farm production by 100%. Cool. You unlocked an assist. Assistants serve you by finding coins and even faction coins. Ooh. Goody. As the ruler in charge, you've always been blessed with the power of magic. I have been. Spells? Ooh, we get to do magic now. What? Let's analyze the tax collection spell. Hover over to see its description. Each spell has its own unique effects. Check them all. You unlock the trophy, 1,000 coins. Oh, I haven't even reached 1,000 coins yet. Now I've reached 1,000 coins. That was a little early. A little bit too early for that achievement. What is that flying? Those were not there before. I'm pretty sure they weren't. Let's go check the replay, but I'm pretty sure those were not there. Instantly gain 30 seconds worth of coin production from buildings and assistants. Estimated coins gained 601. Mana cost 200. Now call forth your magical power by clicking on the tax collection spell. Will you stop? What is your name? What is your name? You are way too pushy, lady. Way too pushy. What is that? Oh. Those are assistants. Help you gather coins and faction coins. Ah! Ooh, I want an inn. And I want a blacksmith. Yeah! Tax collection! Ooh, what's that called? Arms. Increase the production of all buildings based on the amount of buildings you own for 20 seconds. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, what the heck is this game? Tips and hints. Gather and choose an alignment. Ah! I guess rid of that. Music. Oh my gosh, this is like such a goofy game. Angel coin! Let me get all the coins. All the coins. Demon coin. Oh, sweet. What kind of faction coin am I getting out of this? Ooh! Oh my gosh! This tree! This tree is undead coin. Dude. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Those things are like the best. Okay, what if I have 5 ends? Does that give me an upgrade? Ooh, sturdy treasure. Costs 500 coins. Increase base clicking reward by 4. While offline, generate 1 clicks per second. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, let's do it. More assists! Oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. Oh, shit. I didn't want too many. Oh no, I can't afford it. Okay, here. Money tree! Oh my gosh, look at all that money. Yeah! All the money, man. All the money. All the money's right there. Okay, I think I can do that upgrade now. Can I? Oh, whoa! Holy crap, it costs so much. It costs so much. It's okay, guys. We're gonna do this. We're gonna get all the money. No. I'm not clicking on the tree. There we go. Hard focus. Hard focus on the tree. Come on. We're gonna get this. We are gonna get that 12,000. Watch. Just by clicking. Just by clicking. We can make it. Yeah. There we go. Okay. I was like, I can't get it. I just clicked all that for nothing. Nice. Getting all these trophies too. Yeah, all the trophies. Oh my gosh, dude, this is such a silly game, but it's like awesome. Okay, shop. Ah, never mind. What'd that do? So confused with what that did. I don't know what it did. I don't know. We're gonna keep going though. Oh wow. Ooh. Mana regeneration. Oh cool. Okay. This is like very just like relaxing and like you could definitely just chill. Calm down. As long as the bossy lady doesn't come back around. Bossy around going, do this, do that. Use your magic. I don't want to use my magic. Huh? I don't want to use my magic. Hey, what's wrong with you? 0 coins per second. Why are you not producing coins? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you right now? The heck, man. I have to do all the work here. Yeah. Woo. By 45 now. Oh my gosh. It's actually up to 50. Look at this. Fairy coin, demon coin, angel coin. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're gonna find all the faction coins out of this freaking tree. Out of this one tree, we're gonna find all these coins. That is amazing. Yes, give me all the coins. All of them. Ah! I want all the coins. Give them. Gimme. It's so many. What's this? Filled treasure. Increase clicking reward by 25% and protection of all buildings by 25%. Oh my gosh, you guys, more? Ah! Yes. Okay. I feel like we need another, like, of these. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's what it means by that. Jeez. How do we eventually get, like, more stuff that I can build? Like, I want more stuff. I don't want just farms. No fun. Okay, we're gonna go till we're out of money. Awesome. Guys, we have all that we need right now at our money tree. Yep. Yep. We have our money tree. We are set for life. Everything is great. Fantastic. And it's just wonderful. It's amazing. So how have you guys been? Hope you've been actually really good. I mean, you know, got the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving tomorrow. You know, maybe down in the comments, let me know what you're doing for Thanksgiving. You know, see what everyone else is doing. It's a lot of fun hanging out with family and doing all that and being around everybody. I'm excited. You know, I'm gonna go have Thanksgiving with my family and have a good time. You know, can't complain. It's turkey, pie. Good old pie. Can never go wrong with pie. Never can. Space cooking reward by 1% of total production. Increases farm production by 200%. Let's do that one. Wow. Dang, I just like shot all that up. That's awesome. But yeah, no, I think it's all good. And then next month, man, it's gonna be that time of year. It's gonna be December already. Can you believe it? It's nuts. I can't believe it's already. Like, I can't even believe it's already Thanksgiving. You know, I felt like it was, last week was just Halloween. You know, and now we're already into this month. It's nuts. Good related features. Good alignment is oriented to a more active gameplay, focusing on spells and productive. Turn yourself into the evil villain, unlocking evil related features. The evil alignment is oriented to a more idle gameplay, focusing on steady and passive building production. Huh. Interesting. I guess we'll go good. Why not? Oh, dang. Change things. You may now join forces with a powerful faction. I can? Ooh, who can I join? Can I join the Angels? I want to join the Angels. Angels Trade Treaty. Angels' ability with magic is unparalleled as they have the innate power to infuse mana into everything they touch. Affiliating yourself with the Angels faction will grant you nearly unlimited spell power and the ability to take advantage of it directly. No, purchasing this upgrade will prevent you from joining any other faction until you advocate. Okay. Elven trade. Elves are masters of efficiency and expertise, taking the best results from every single action, afflicting. Affiliating yourself with the elves faction will dramatically boost your clicking rewards while forsaking passive production. Fairies. Fairies focus on the small and common things and make them magically powerful. Affiliating yourself with the fairy faction will hugely improve the output of lower tier buildings. I like the angels one. Let's go with the angels. You can purchase an angel friendship pact or spend unused coins to gain a passive bonus. Royal exchange. Increase the production of all buildings by 10%. Sure. Yes? Cool. Oh wow, yeah. That's cool. It's definitely kind of a neat little game. I mean, it's different. Aw. Look at that, got a castle, it's on clouds. Oh no, our little money tree one, or did it just sprout? Maybe it finally just sprouted. You know, became better. Oh snap, there's things over here. Warrior barracks, yes! Night jousts, Heck yeah. Let's get some of that. Oh, heck yeah, man. Yep. And yep. So what, can I buy from all these guys? Oh, it's however many coins and stuff I have. Oh, that's cool. Huh. Man, that really shoots it up, huh? Oh, yes, we gotta get a wizard's tower up in here. Mm-hmm. Heck yeah, man. Woo! Holy moly, that's so many coins! That is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I'm gonna have such a cramped finger. Oh man. Yeah, no, I mean, like, it's awesome, you know, the fact that it's coming up and everything. It's gonna be a lot of fun. First gotta do that. Oh wow, yeah, I gotta get a lot of angel coins. Alright, here we go. Holy moly. Ah, I got another angel coin. Sweet, 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 sweet. Okay. So this is the plan. To not buy any angel ones. Keep up with the elven ones. Everything else. But don't do the angel ones because we want to be able to get some of that other stuff that's up there. That's the plan. Does this cost stuff? Okay, that doesn't cost. Okay, let's upgrade those ones. Okay, so we can do that again. Cool. Cool. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look at that clicking power. Do a bunch of those. Holy crap. Okay, yeah, we want that. Iron weapons. Nice, nice, nice. Not the assistant group. Ooh. Q coins? Q coins. I don't know what Q coins are. I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. What is this? Alright, we gotta upgrade the wizard's tower. Of course, man. Gotta get more angel coins. I'm actually excited about that. Ooh, actually we'll do call to arms. There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh yeah. Gonna get cathedral up in here. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Oh my gosh, got so many angel coins out of that. So many angel coins. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Holy crap. Stallion horses. Nice, I like that. This is definitely different. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of clicking. I mean, I guess if you want to be able to play it idly, you can. You don't have to sit here and do what I'm doing, which is doing a lot of clicking. Treasure digger. Is this something? Okay, cool. Got the upgrade for that guy now. That and the blacksmith need to be upgraded. Woo, 50 ends. Let's upgrade the blacksmith again. Oh man, warriors barracks. Alright, sorry about that guys. I really need to make a sign for my door. But that's okay. Oh, clicking! Oh, sweet. We can upgrade the wizard tower again. Woo, we're at 5,000 coins! Clicking on the money tree. No new upgrades. Oh, snap. Okay, remember we don't want to touch the angel one at all because we want to be able to save that for this up here because we are at 56. We need 100. We need 100 of those. Now we gotta find so many coins. We're a little more than halfway there. We can do it, guys. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. I believe in us and our abilities here and what we can do. Oh, sweet. We can upgrade the cathedral. Holy snap. That gives us so many. Awesome. Ooh, looks like... Okay, let's go see... No, it's still just the angels. Holy crap, man. We gotta get 50 million. Oh my gosh. Knight's Joust. Guess we can sit there, upgrade the farms, huh? Yeah, get lots and lots of farms. Why not, alright? All the farms. All the farms. Man. Those other ones, they cost so much money. Holy cow. Alright, let's upgrade the Warriors Barracks because that'll help us get a little more protection. Ooh, new upgrades. Nice. Farm. Very good. Okay. We can get those. Sweet. And back at it again. Ooh, we're almost up to 10,000 on this tree, guys. 10,000. We're getting so close. I am excited right now. I'm so excited. Oop, Knight's Joust. Nice, we've officially hit 10,000 coins on this. We started out 1 coin 20 minutes ago. We started at 1 coin each click. Now we're at 10 in about 20 minutes. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh. Hang on. We gotta get up to the 50 mil so we can go get that angel friendship pack thing. Yeah. You just also increase your mana. Ooh. Okay, I'm down with that. I am so down with that. A blacksmith, which is, I believe, is going to get us more and more upgrades. Which, ooh. Oh, you guys, I think we just went up to 15. Ow, we're at 16, almost 17 now. Holy crap, man, this is awesome. I don't know why I'm enjoying myself so much with this game right now. It's just like, it's so easy to kind of immerse yourself into it and just have a lot of fun. Oh, Wizard's Tower, we gotta go with the Wizard's Tower. Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. How close are we? Oh yeah, we can do it! Angel's Friendship Pack on like angel upgrades. Ooh. Heck yeah! Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all those. 500 billion? Jeez! I just died. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is nuts. All farms, all ends. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I died just a little bit. Just a little there, like. Oh my gosh. Okay, rich treasure, increased clicking reward by 20% and protection of all buildings by 25%. Okay, let's do that. Woo! Holy cow, you guys, we are at 25,000 for clicking. That is pretty cool. Oh my gosh, man. Dang, this is crazy. Holy crap. Let's get up to another 50 because that'll get us another upgrade that we can do. Actually, you know, we can do this and we can do this. So other stuff goes up a lot faster. Heck yeah. This is awesome. Wow, we're almost at 30,000 coins per click. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is awesome. That's so cool. yeah, no, I mean, I hope that all you guys are excited about Thanksgiving, doing what you guys are gonna do, and you'll have to let me know. Definitely. What maybe you did or didn't do, or heck, I mean, even if you just stayed home and really didn't do anything, that's cool too. It's up to you. I don't know. Maybe your Thanksgiving was TV dinner. I've heard it a few different times where people just get, the TV dinners, and we shot up to 61,000. It's awesome. Yeah, no, I mean, it's awesome. It's amazing. I mean, there's even some people who, unfortunately, sometimes have to work on Thanksgiving, which I think sucks. But it happens, unfortunately. Oh man, all that I want to be able to get is I have the cathedral. I want the citadel. So we're working really hard to be able to get that. Nice. Woo! We have a citadel now. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is it's definitely different. Take some patience. A lot of talking. Oh my. Alright guys, well, that's all the time I got for right now. We go ahead and end it right here. Let me know if you like this game, if you want to see me play more. Hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. It's been a lot of fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day and have a lovely holiday. Bye!